Good day.
We are Arliss Ryan and Eric Sponberg of St. Augustine, Florida. Here's how we meet your requirements for the dream job on Hamilton Island.
Professional skills. We each run our own business. I in yacht design, Arliss in marketing and public relations.
Command of English. I'm the author of 2 novels with a 3rd on the way. Eric writes for sailing magazines.
Adventurous attitude. We sailed our 27-foot sailboat from England to California and are licensed private pilots.
Willingness to try new things? See adventurous attitude above.
Passion for the outdoors. Besides sailing and swimming, we're volunteer whale watchers, and Arliss leads bird walks at our state parks.
Ability to engage others. At night, we're ghost tour guides and entertain visitors with history and lore.
In short, we have a lifetime of experience and are eager for more.
Let us help you convey the beauty and uniqueness of the Great Barrier Reef with all the passion it deserves.
See you on Hamilton Island!